Okay guys, this week's video is the difference between homeostatic hunger and hedonic hunger. So first, homeostatic hunger. Homeostatic hunger refers to the biological signals that regulate our physiological needs for energy and nutrients. It is driven by the body's need to maintain stable internal conditions such as blood glucose levels, body temperature, and electrolyte balance. When these levels drop below a certain point, the body initiates hunger signals to prompt us to eat and restore equilibrium or balance. Signals of homeostatic hunger. So number one, ghrelin. This hormone is produced in the stomach and signals hunger to the brain. Ghrelin levels increase before meals and decrease after eating. Number two, leptin. So produced by the fat cells, leptin signals fullness and helps regulate energy balance. When fat stores decrease, leptin levels drop, triggering hunger. Number three, neuropeptide or NPY. This neurotransmitter stimulates appetite and promotes food intake. NPY levels rise during fasting and decrease after eating. So ways in which we can manage homeostatic hunger. Number one, a balanced diet. So consuming a well-rounded diet with nutritious and satiating foods can help manage homeostatic hunger. Meals rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help keep you fuller for longer. Number two, regular eating habits. So establishing regular eating patterns can regulate hunger signals. Eating at consistent times each day can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. Number three, mindful eating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues can avoid overeating. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and stop eating when you are comfortably satisfied. Now the second one, hedonic hunger. Hedonic hunger, also known as reward-driven hunger, is driven by the brain's pleasure and reward centers rather than physiological need. It involves a desire to eat for enjoyment rather than physical necessity. So signals of hedonic hunger. Number one, dopamine. This neurotransmitter is associated with pleasure and reward. Food, especially highly palatable and calorie-dense options, can trigger dopamine release, leading to cravings and overeating. Number two, emotional triggers. Stress, boredom, or certain emotions can lead to hedonic hunger. Eating becomes a way to seek comfort or distraction from negative feelings. Analyzing the difference. So distinguishing between homeostatic and hedonic hunger can be challenging since they often overlap. However, understanding the key aspects can help. The number one key aspect, timing homeostatic hunger. It typically follows a regular schedule, while hedonic hunger can occur at any time. Number two, specific cravings. Hedonic hunger often involves a strong desire for a specific food, such as sweets or highly processed snacks, while homeostatic hunger tends to be more generic. Overcoming hedonic hunger. Number one, mindfulness techniques. So practice mindful eating to become more aware of your hunger and fullness cues. This can help differentiate between physical and emotional triggers for eating. Number two, emotional awareness. Develop alternative coping mechanisms for managing emotions. Engaging in hobbies, exercising, or seeking support from others can help reduce reliance on food for emotional comfort. Number three, balance indulgence. Allow yourself occasional treats to satisfy hedonic hunger, but in moderation. Learning to enjoy your favorite foods without overindulging can help maintain a healthy relationship with food. Remember that managing hunger and food intake is a personal journey. Consulting with a good sports nutritionist or a registered dietitian or a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance and support for your specific needs.